Children, today I am going to explain SST chapter 1 to know your planet. As we know, our Earth is a unique planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that has water and air. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The large land masses are called continent. The large water bodies are called oceans. How many continents? There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica. And there are 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean. Again, we will be discuss about the shape of the earth. In ancient time, people believed that the earth was flat and had steep edges. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Pictures taken from the space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round, but it is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. Again, we will be discuss about the globe. What is a globe? A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape and location of the continent and oceans on a globe. And what is map? A map is a representation of the earth on the flat surface drawn to a scale. Children, what difference between globe and map? A large globe is difficult to carry around, but map can be folded and handled easily. A globe is small and all the details of a place can't be shown on it. It gives us two-dimensional view of the earth. Only half of the earth can be seen at a time, and it is the representation of the earth on a flat surface drawn to a scale. So there are many differences between globe and map. Children, this is a globe and this is difficult to carry anywhere. It is a big and it is very difficult to carry anywhere. And children, this is a map. यह आपका मैप है. इसे आप कहीं भी आसानी से ले जा सकते हैं और इस पे आप कोई भी लोकेशन देख सकते हैं एक बार में. लेकिन जो ग्लोब है आपका, इस पे केवल आप आधे हिस्से की जानकारी हासिल कर पाएंगे, और अगर आपको दूसरे हिस्से की जानकारी लेनी होगी तो फिर आपको इसको रोटेट करना पड़ेगा. जैसे आप इसको रोटेट करेंगे तो इसके अपोजिट साइड का जो हिस्सा है वह आपके फ्रंट पे आएगा और इससे आप उस हिस्से को जान सकते हैं. फिर से इसको अगर आप रोटेट करेंगे तो इसका जो आधा हिस्सा रहेगा उसे आप देख सकते हैं. तो ये अंतर आपका देखने को मिलता है मैप और ग्लोब में. थैंक यू.